Welcome back to AutoMatrix, where we explore the most extreme, luxurious, and mind-blowing vehicles on the planet. If you love heavy-duty machines and futuristic homes on wheels, you're going to enjoy today's video. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the AutoMatrix family so you never miss our latest builds. Today, we're stepping inside something truly extraordinary: the 2026 Mack 656 Motorhome Camper, a heavy-duty luxury home on wheels designed to take comfort and capability far beyond traditional RVs. At first glance, the Mack 656 Motorhome immediately stands out. This isn't your typical camper. Built on a rugged Mack heavy-duty truck platform, it features a massive stance, 6-wheel drive capability, and an imposing presence that commands attention wherever it goes. The reinforced chassis is engineered for extreme durability, allowing this motorhome to travel across rough terrain, remote deserts, snowy mountain roads, and even muddy forest trails without hesitation. This is more than just transportation. It's a self-contained luxury expedition machine. The exterior design combines rugged utility with modern sophistication. The front end carries Mack's bold styling, with a large grille, powerful LED headlights, and heavy-duty bumpers built for durability. Along the sides, you'll notice multiple storage compartments, integrated steps, and protective panels designed for long-distance travel. A full-length roof rack holds solar panels, extra cargo, and even adventure gear. Everything about this vehicle is built with purpose, yet it still looks sleek and premium. Climbing inside the cabin, the luxury becomes immediately apparent. The driver's cockpit is designed like a high-end command center. Premium leather seats provide exceptional comfort, while the dashboard features multiple digital displays showing navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and camera views. The steering wheel is wrapped in soft leather, and brushed aluminum accents give the interior a refined look. Despite being a heavy-duty truck, the cabin feels more like a luxury SUV. Behind the cockpit, the living space opens up into a fully equipped luxury motorhome. The layout is intelligently designed to maximize space while maintaining a premium feel. Soft ambient lighting creates a warm atmosphere, and large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior. The flooring features durable wood-style panels that combine elegance with practicality, making the space both stylish and easy to maintain. The living area includes a comfortable lounge with plush seating. This space can be used for relaxing, dining, or even converting into an additional sleeping area. A foldable table slides out for meals, work, or entertainment. The upholstery is finished in premium materials, and the entire area feels like a high-end apartment rather than a mobile camper. It's designed for long journeys where comfort matters just as much as capability. Moving into the kitchen, the Mack 656 Motorhome truly shines. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a compact refrigerator, induction, cooktop, microwave, and stainless steel sink. Cabinets provide ample storage for utensils, cookware, and food supplies. The countertops are finished in polished stone-style materials, giving the kitchen a luxury residential feel. This setup allows travelers to cook full meals while on the road, making long-term travel practical and enjoyable. One of the most impressive features is the bedroom area. Located toward the rear, the bedroom includes a full-size bed with a premium mattress, soft lighting, and built-in storage cabinets. The bed is positioned to maximize space while maintaining comfort. Overhead compartments hold clothing and essentials, while side windows offer scenic views wherever you park. It's a quiet, cozy retreat designed for restful nights after long adventures. The washroom in the Mack 6.6 motorhome is another highlight. Unlike many campers, this one features a fully enclosed bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. The fixtures are modern and compact, designed to optimize space without sacrificing comfort. The shower includes a glass partition, and the walls are finished in waterproof materials that add a touch of luxury. Having a complete bathroom on board makes off-grid living significantly easier. Technology plays a major role in this motorhome. A central control panel manages lighting, water levels, battery systems, and climate control. Solar panels mounted on the roof feed into a powerful battery bank, allowing the motorhome to run appliances without relying on external power. This off-grid capability means you can park in remote locations and still enjoy all the comforts of home. The system also includes smart climate control to maintain comfortable temperatures in any environment. Storage is another area where the Mack 6C6 excels. Exterior compartments hold tools, camping gear, and adventure equipment. Inside, cleverly designed cabinets and hidden compartments maximize space. There's room for everything from clothing to cooking supplies, making this motorhome ideal for extended journeys. The design ensures that everything has its place, reducing clutter and improving functionality. The 6x6 drivetrain is what truly separates this motorhome from conventional RVs. Power is distributed across 3 axles, providing exceptional traction on challenging terrain. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or navigating sandy deserts, the Mack 6x6 maintains stability and control. The suspension system is built to absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, ensuring a smoother ride even off-road. This allows travelers to reach destinations that traditional motorhomes simply cannot. Driving this massive machine is surprisingly manageable. Advanced cameras provide 360-degree visibility, helping with parking and maneuvering. Driver assistance features improve safety, while the elevated seating position offers excellent road visibility. Despite its size, the Mack 6C6 feels controlled and composed, whether on highways or rough trails. Another standout feature is the outdoor living capability. An extendable awning creates a shaded outdoor area, perfect for relaxing or dining. Exterior lighting illuminates the campsite at night, and optional outdoor cooking setups expand the living space beyond the interior. This turns the motorhome into a full mobile base camp for adventure. Fuel capacity and water storage are designed for long-distance travel. Large tanks allow extended trips without frequent stops. Combined with solar power and efficient systems, the Mack 6.6 motorhome is built for true off-grid living. You can travel far from civilization and still enjoy comfort and convenience. The overall design philosophy focuses on blending rugged capability with residential luxury. Every element, from the heavy-duty chassis to the elegant interior, is carefully engineered. This motorhome is not just for camping, it's designed for exploration, adventure, and long-term travel. It offers the freedom to go anywhere without leaving comfort behind. If you're enjoying this incredible heavy-duty luxury home on wheels, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AutoMatrix. We bring you the most extreme motorhomes, trucks, and off-road machines from around the world, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Your support helps us continue showcasing these amazing builds. The 2026 Mack 6x6 Motorhome Camper represents the future of expedition travel. It combines power, durability, and luxury into one incredible package. From the fully equipped kitchen and comfortable bedroom to the advanced off-grid systems and 6x6 capability, everything about this vehicle is designed to elevate the travel experience. It's bold, it's luxurious, and it's ready to take you anywhere. Thanks for watching AutoMatrix. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with fellow adventure lovers. Until next time, keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible on the road.